Totally different. The Gujars and Punjabis, two very different. Like Punjabis, they swear a lot. There's a lot of aggression in the Punjabi community. One guy, I was driving around once. Let me give you a translation. This is what the guy said to me. Oh, band di lana panchot. And then he said to me, oh, band di lana marmu de vich panchot. What? Band di lan. Let me give you a translation, Dave. Band di lan. Your sister's cop. No, and he's insulting his sister, now she's a transvestite. Marmudevich is smacking your face. And Guju's like, oh, Sukadis, tapping my Sukadis, tapping my Sukadis. Oh, Panchot! Sukadis does. Oh, Panchot! Sukadis. What's the best you get? He's a wanker, Dave.